Hi everyone, I am Lam Chi Hui from Section 1 of Computer Architecture class. Today, I would like to introduce the steps for the installation of Ubuntu 18.04 on Windows 7 Home Basic for dual booting operating system in one single PC. First of all, a personal computer with current operating system Windows 7 Home Basic is considered. Before the installation of the second operating system starts, the users of the personal computer are suggested to back up the vital data to an external USB in order to prevent the losing of important files if the installation process fails or jams. Next, the second operating system, Ubuntu 18.04, is downloaded from its official website. This is the official website for Ubuntu 18.04.3 LTS. Below are the recommended system requirements. After the download is clicked, there is a page for thank you. And below is the file for the Ubuntu 18.04. Here we can see a file for Ubuntu 18.04 on the desktop. Besides, in computer management, this management, there are two partitions divided. One is for the Windows 7 Home Basic and the another one is for Ubuntu 18.04. To download a second operating system in the PC, notice that the operating system of the personal computer should be shifted from current using Windows 7 Home Basic to Ubuntu 18.04. Then restart the personal computer. The booting system of Windows 7 Home Basic of the personal computer will automatically shift to the booting system of Ubuntu 18.04. After restart, a welcome window with two selections, which include Try Ubuntu and Install Ubuntu, will be displayed on the monitor. For the selection of Try Ubuntu, it allows the users to have a general look on the operating system without making any changes on the own personal computer used. For the selection of Install Ubuntu, the installation of the Ubuntu 18.04 will be executed and changes will be made on the personal computer which is currently used. Let's have a look on the Ubuntu 18.04 before download. The display of the icon of Ubuntu is varied compared to Windows 7. The display of the speaker, battery, brightness, setting, or power button is located at the top right corner of the monitor. Meanwhile, all the files are put on the left side of the monitor as Windows 7. By clicking on the icon of the installation of Ubuntu 18.04, the welcome window is shown again. For the installation processes, the users are initially required to select the language that will be used later throughout the operating system. Then, the users are given the selection to choose the keyboard layout that they use the most frequent. The normal installation is then selected. Meanwhile, Download updates while installing Ubuntu is cancelled since it will spend a longer installation time if the installation processes involve the updates of the operating system. Select Install Ubuntu alongside Windows 7 is the vital selection since it allows the current personal computer to run two operating systems separately, according to the selection of the users. The personal computer users should be aware so that the selection for Erase Disk and Install Ubuntu is not chosen, as this action is fatal. It will eliminate the previous operating system used and replace it with only Ubuntu 18.04. Two separate disk space that exist in the personal computer is displayed on the monitor. Each of them is allocated for each operating system respectively. This disk space is allocated for Windows 7 Home Basic, and this disk space is allocated for Ubuntu 18.04. The users are required to select the city that they are residing so that the display of the time and date of the personal computer is accurate. The users are then necessary to register a new user account for Ubuntu. The name and passwords to log in to the account is inserted to protect the privacy of the users. The installation process will continue goes on. After the installation process ends, the users need to restart the personal computer. For booting system that will execute for the personal computer is available. Hence, the users are given the authority to choose the operating system according to the circumstances needed. When the booting system of Ubuntu 18.04 is selected, the personal computer will boot by using the operating system of Ubuntu 18.04. When the booting system of Windows 7 is selected, the personal computer will boot by using the operating system of Windows 7. These are the step-by-step installation for Ubuntu 18.04 on Windows 7 Home Basic. That is all from me. Thank you for spending time watching this video.